Hello class, this video is in continuation with topic taxonomical aids or tools where we were discussing about herbarium. After herbarium, now we will discuss about botanical garden. What is a botanical garden? Botanical garden is a garden dedicated to the collection, cultivation and display of a wide range of plants labeled with their botanical names. It may contain specialist plant collections such as tropical plants or other species of plants. In other words, a botanical garden is repository. Repository means a place where things are stored. So a botanical garden is repository of living plants arranged and maintained on scientific basis and where the collections are usually labeled or marked for identification. These are the institutions that maintain the collections of different varieties. Example: wild, ornamental, cultivated, medicinal or economically important varieties of living plants. The main purpose of botanical gardens is to identify the plant species under consideration. Role of botanical gardens. There are many objectives and functions of botanical gardens. Taxonomic studies. Botanical gardens provide valuable information on various plants, local flora, bonsai, rare plants, etc. They act as outdoor laboratories for students and researchers. They give chance to students to research on them, therefore called as outdoor laboratory. Next, botanical research. They supply wide range of plant species, seeds, flowers, fruits for botanical research. Next one is conservation. Botanical gardens conserve and propagate rare species and genetic diversity. Conservation. Botanical gardens conserve and propagate rare species and genetic diversity. Next one is education. They supply facilities for courses in local flora, horticulture, hybridization, plant propagation, etc. Their educational programs include workshop training sessions for teachers, students, naturalists, etc. Next, public services. They help the public in identifying the local and exotic plant species. Provide instructions for home gardenings, propagation of plants, supply plant resource through sale or exchange. Next, aesthetics and recreation. Aesthetics means concerned with beauty. They attract people who have made gardening their hobby. At the blossom time, it becomes a site of beauty and place of relaxation. Employment. They provide job opportunities for plant biologists and local gardeners. Now we will discuss about well-known botanical gardens of India. Indian Botanical Garden. It is the largest and oldest botanical garden of India, situated at Shivpur near Kolkata. Calcutta is written here, but now it is known as Kolkata. It was formerly known as Royal Botanic Garden or Calcutta Botanic Garden. Started by Robert Kidd in 1787. Clear? This garden, Royal Botanic Garden, was founded in 1787 by Robert Kidd. The garden occupies an area of 110 to 112 hectares. It is situated on the west bank of river Hooghly. It has nearly 15,000 live specimens. live specimens, including a large collection of bamboos, palms, etc. One of the major attractions of the Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanical Garden, Shivpur, Kolkata, this one, is the great banyan tree. You can see in the picture, banyan tree, which is about 300 years old and looks like a forest. You can see in the picture, it looks like a forest with some 2,800 prop roots. You can see all these prop roots spread over an area of 1.5 hectare. Next, National Botanic Garden, Lucknow. It was originally the garden of Nawab of Ayodhya. Later it was converted into a botanic garden under the control of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. It was built by Nawab Sadat Ali Khan and adapted by Wajid Ali Shah after the name of Sikandar Mahal Begum, one of his favorite queens. The garden is spread over an area of 25 hectare. There is a collection of over 6,000 cultivars spread over 1,500 taxa. It was named Sikandar Bagh by Nawab Wajid Ali Shah, and it was converted to a botanical garden through the efforts of Professor K.N. Kaul, who acquired a plot of land in the garden in 1932 for cultivation of medicinal plants. Next, Lloyd Botanic Garden, Darjeeling. The Lloyd Botanic Garden is situated in the district of Darjeeling. The land of the present garden was donated by Mr. William Lloyd in 1878. It was named after his name as Lloyd Botanic Garden. The garden has some 1800 species of exotic and indigenous plants, which include conifers, maples, etc. The garden has made a significant contribution to botanical researches in India. One of the most interesting plants of the garden is redwood tree, which is known as living fossils. It covers an area of about 17 hectares. The garden has a very large variety of evergreen and deciduous plants. Next, Lal Bagh Garden or Mysore State Botanical Garden, Bangalore. The name Lal Bagh was first given to the garden by Hyder Ali in 1760. In 1799, this garden was taken over by military botanist Major Waugh, an employee of East India Company. And in 1831, when the British occupied the province of Mysore, the charge of the garden was taken over by Chief Commissioner. This garden covers an area of about 100 hectares with 12 hectares of water surface. There are about 2,000 species of native and exotic plants of wide-ranging diversity. There are a large number of species of indigenous, ornamental and economic plants. This historic garden has acquired a privileged place among the gardens of the world and is considered one of the best in the East. Next, Botanical Garden, Saharanpur. This is the picture of Saharanpur Botanic Garden. It was established in 1750, initially known as Farhat Bakhsh. The Saharanpur Botanic Garden is one of the oldest existing gardens in India. In 1817, the garden was acquired by the East India Company. It is spread over an area of about 68 hectares. Okay. New varieties of different fruits, fruits, especially mango, lychee, etc., have been raised in the garden. Next, Botanical Garden of Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. This garden established only in 1934. It is located in the foothills of Shivalik Ranges. The garden covers an area of 50 hectares. It has one of the richest collection of woody plants in Asia. There are over 2000 trees representing 1000 species. There is also a especially rich collection of bamboos and gymnosperms. Jawaharlal Nehru Tropical Botanic Garden and Research Institute, Thiruvananthapuram. Formerly it was known as Tropical Botanical Garden and Research Institute. It was renamed in the memory of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This autonomous institute was established by the government of Kerala in 1979 at Thiruvananthapuram. It spread over in an area of 121 hectares. The garden has a collection of 1000 species of trees. The garden has largest collection of plants in South Asia. The garden also maintains a herbarium with over 50,000 specimens of plants collected from Kerala. Some well-known botanical gardens of the world. New York Botanical Garden, New York, USA. The Missouri Botanical Garden, St. Louis, USA. Royal Botanic Garden, Kew, England. Botanical Garden, Berlin, Germany. Beijing Botanical Garden, China. Singapore Botanical Garden, Singapore. National Botanical Garden, Malaysia. So these are the well-known botanical gardens of the world.